Hey guys, this is Way here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. It's a beautiful day, so I wanted to just do a quick walk around with you on this 2024 Roadtrek Chase. It's a really unique model. Roadtrek actually painted the bumpers on this along with these trim pieces, so it gives it a real unique look. A lot of other manufacturers just leave it black, like this one right here. So again, real unique color and layout as well. Inside you got some of the new color packages that Roadtrek offers, and like any Roadtrek Class B RV, you just get your pantry here, and they offer some of the best storage you can find in a Class B. Nice big fridge with a separate freezer, and these Chase models are pretty fully loaded, and most of them are extremely unique, so you don't see too many of them that are just the same color nowadays in the newer line. Nice sized bathroom. Got your counter extension right here, and they actually made it longer for these newer models. If you turn the rear passenger or the front passenger seat around, you can use this as a workstation. Corian countertops. This piece is actually cut straight from the same piece of Corian this countertop is made from. And induction cooktop, and they actually put it recessed inside the work area too, so you can use it as a prep area when you're not cooking. And this is the rear twin model. But one thing I love about Roadtreks is how big their rear twins are. They're about as big as you'll see in like a rear bath model with the twins in the middle, which is cool because you can open up these doors, load up your stuff, and it's get started on your road trip. Nice size TV back here too. Anyways, my name is Way. I work here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. If you'd like to know more about this coach and some of the options on it, give us a call and ask for me. I'd love to show it to you.